Yeah. So the next question, matrices, board question of ICIC curriculum, 10th standard. This particular question appeared in 2019. So the numerical is given 4, 2, minus 1, 1 multiplied with m is equal to 6i, where m is the matrix and I is the unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. So we have to find first the state the order of the matrix M and find the matrix M. So here 4, 2, minus 1, 1. As mentioned in the numerical itself, it is 2 cross 2 of M is equal to 6 of I. Identity matrix is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1 of 2 cross 2. Therefore, the order of matrix M is 2 cross 2. Now we have to find the matrix M. So the next step, 4, 2, minus 1, 1. So now we'll consider the matrix M, that is 2 cross 2, with the variable X, Y, Z and W, which is equal to, now we'll multiply 6 with the unit matrix. So it will be 6, 0, 0, 6. So this is under multiplication. So then we have to equate this one, 6, 0, 6, 0, 6, which leads to 4 into X plus 2 into Z. Four into Y plus 2 into W. So the multiplication is nothing but first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. So now we completed the first part, 4x plus 2z, and then first row, second column, 4y plus 2w. And then here second row, first column, so minus 1 into x minus x plus z, and then minus 1 into y plus 1 into w. So we can write minus y plus w is equal to 6, 0, 0, 6. Now we have to equate these two matrices. So 4x plus 2z is equal to 6, and then minus x plus z is equal to 0, these two, and then these two, 4y plus 2w is equal to 0. Then these two, minus y plus w is equal to 6. Okay. So now here we have minus x plus z is equal to 0. So we can write it as minus x is equal to minus z. So upon cancelling these two, we will be getting x is equal to z. So substitute this particular expression over here. So we will be getting 4x plus 2x. Instead of x, it will be z. So here we are replacing that z as x. So 4x plus 2x is equal to 6. 6x is equal to 6. 4x plus 2x will be 6x is equal to 6. X is equal to 1. And then here minus y plus w is equal to 6. And 4y plus 2w is equal to 0. Now we need to find these two variable values. Yeah. So just observe 4y plus 2w is equal to 0 minus y plus w is equal to 6. So we can call it as this one as first expression, and then this one as second expression. Okay. So now here we have 4, here we have minus y. Okay. So we can multiply here with 4 the entire equation. So it will be 4y plus 2w is equal to 0 minus 4y plus 4w is equal to 24. So this is my second. So what I did here, just multiplying this equation with 4. So 4y plus 2w is equal to 0. This is my first expression. And then here minus 4y plus 4w is equal to 24. This is my second expression. So now these two will get cancelled. 4y minus 4y. This we have to add. Okay. So these two will get cancelled. Then 2w plus 6w, 4w will be 6w. Okay. So which is equal to 24. So from this w is equal to 24 upon 6. So which is nothing but 4. Now we found the value of w, right? So once if you have the value of w, then substitute the value of w here. So minus y plus 4 is equal to 6. So minus y is equal to 6 minus 4. That is nothing but 2. So which is nothing but y is equal to minus 2. Right? So now we have to write the values of x, y, z, w. So that is nothing but my matrix M. So M is equal to x is 1, right? W is 4, y is minus 2, and then x is equal to z, right? So what is the value of x will be my z. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to 1, w is equal to 4. This is the answer.